Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about Robinhood, and more specifically we're going to be buying stocks on Robinhood. And it's actually a really easy process. There's not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Anthony and I'm just learning about trading stocks. Hopefully you decide to learn with me and subscribe. And if you happen to be a more experienced trader and you have any kind of hot stock tips, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us beginners know. But let me go ahead and jump over to my phone. Okay guys, so I went ahead and switched over to my phone. And today we are going to buy some Agilent Technologies stock on Robinhood. And it's all handled here in the app. It's this green feather looking one here on the left. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to open up my Robinhood app and it should bring you right here to the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you would like to buy Agilent Technologies stock on Robinhood, you want to click on this little search icon here on the bottom center. Once you click there, it will bring up this search bar and you can easily just type in the company name, Agilent, or you can type in the stock ticker A. Either way, the company should pop right to the top and you just click on it and it will bring up the historical chart for Agilent Technologies. As you can see, they are currently trading for about $134 per share. Now, if you want to continue buying Agilent stock on Robinhood, go ahead and click on this trade button. And now you can choose to either trade options or to go ahead and buy the stock, which is what we're going to do today. So I'll click on buy. Next, you can choose how much Agilent stock you would like to buy. So for the purpose of this video, we are buying $3 worth of Agilent Technologies stock. And that's the nice thing about buying stock on Robinhood is they do allow fractional shares. So if I click on review, I'll show you what I mean, because there's this order summary down here that lets me know the current share price is about $134. So with my $3, I will end up with approximately 0.022 shares of Agilent Technologies. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and swipe up, and then it's going to process just for a few moments, and then it will let you know that your Agilent Technologies stock order has been completed, or that it will be completed on the following trading day. And that depends on when you placed your stock order. So I'll click on done, and then it just brings me back here to the Agilent stock chart. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to buy Agilent Technologies stock on Robinhood, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.